माँ का हाथ का काढ़ा, a magical concoction herbal tea. My mom's recipe. We all stay away from home. We must miss our moms, especially during this season where there's a lot of cold and cough. This magical concoction is very easy to make using things already in your kitchen and works like magic for cold, cough, and fever. Take cloves, carom seeds, cinnamon, and whole black pepper. Grind them well and keep it aside. Now take grated ginger. In a pot of boiling water, add the ground spices, ginger, bay leaf, and turmeric. Let it boil for 15 minutes. Remember, the longer it boils, the better it is. Oh, and don't forget to add some extra love for yourself. Give it a try and let me know how you feel tomorrow in the comments below. Enjoy.